Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Students, open your Spirit Early Year Mathematics for KG class, workbook 1, and page number is 23. Students, I'm sure that you have learned the spellings of counting from 0 to 10. Now, it's an activity. Number in words, unscramble the words. It's unscrambles words हैं, इनको आपने करेक्ट करके राइट करना है. आई एम श्योर आपको स्पेलिंग जो है वो लर्न हो गए होंगे 0 से 10 तक, 1 से 10 तक. तो हम आज उसको अनस्क्रैम्बल वर्ड्स जो हैं उनको करेक्ट करके यहाँ पे राइट करेंगे. व्हाट्स दिस? 1. ये 1 के स्पेलिंग्स हैं लेकिन ये अनस्क्रैम्बल्ड है. ओके, यू हैव टू करेक्ट दैम. What's the spelling of 1? O N E. 1. O N E. 1. What's this? 2. It's unscrambled words. W O 2. It's a wrong. And the correct spelling of 2 is T W O 2. What's this? It's a 3. And these spellings are unscrambled. It's wrong. Now we write them correctly. What's the spelling of 3? T H R E 3. T H R E 3. Come to the next. What's this? 4. Now, these spellings are unscrambled. We write them correctly. What's the spelling of 4? Tell me. F O U R 4. F O U R 4. What's this? 5. Do you know the spellings of 5? I know. Write with me. F I B E. 5. Makes your shapes properly. It's 5. Now come to the next page. Page number 24. As previous in page, we correct these unscrambled words. What's this? 6. Here we write the correct spelling of 6. S I X. 6. Now what's this? 7. Is the spelling of 7 is E N E S V? No, it's wrong. We correct them. What's the spelling of 7? S E V E N. 7. S E V E N. 7. Now what's this? 8. And spelling of 8, this one given and it's wrong. Now we correct these unscrambled words. E I G H T 8. E I G H T 8. What's this? It's a 9. These spellings are unscrambled. We correct them and write here in this block. Spellings of 9 is N I N E. 9. N I N E. 9. What's this? It's a 10. Spelling of 10 is, it's so easy, T E N. 10. T-E-N, 10. You have to make the proper shapes of all the spellings and alphabets. I repeat, spellings of these written in this block are unscrambled. We write them in correctly form. 1. Here we write O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. Here we write the spelling of 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4 FOUR 4, 5 FIVE 5, 6 SIX 6, 7 SEVEN 7, 8 EIGHT 8, 9 NINE 9, 10 TEN 10। ठीक है बच्चों, इसी तरह आपने राइट कर लेना है। थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़।